So last week I dropped a video and I forgot to start it with, "G'day mate." And Andrew from the YouTube channel Sleep and Brain, it's also a CPAP channel, I highly recommend you check it out. He's also a CPAP consultant if you're interested. He was a bit disappointed. So I thought I'd start with this video with a great big "G'day mate" to Andrew from Sleep and Brain. All right, it's 7 o'clock here in Melbourne. The kids are just about to go to bed, and I thought we'd come out here and do an unboxing setup guide of the new and improved CSpring MK3. Yes, I do have number 1. I do have number 2. Here we go with number 3. And I think Sebastian, who is the inventor of the CSpring, would happily admit it hasn't always been smooth sailing, but that's the way it goes when you're inventing products, yeah? You make a product, you put it out there, you get feedback, you make improvements. Look at Resmed, for example. They've been making these things for 35 years. They still can't get it right. Yeah, that's the reason this thing exists in the first place, because they make these chambers here, they either leak or they don't fit in right or they run out of water. Seb comes along, gives you the CSpring MK3, so it automatically fills up your chamber. You don't have to keep taking it in and out all the time. It doesn't run dry, start burning and creating all those funky smells. It's a great product. I highly recommend you check it out, just like we're about to do right now. MK3. All right, here it is. Now, if you missed it, I did just do another video on the CSpring Mini, which is like a portable version of this, and you can just use any bottle that you like.
It's working now.
Put a little thing in there and off you go. But with this one, I think it's about 3 litres from memory. And it's sort of like its own standalone get up. All right, so it looks kind of similar to the 2. Not 100% sure what's changed. We'll just figure it out as we go. All right. So this is the AirSense 11 modified chamber here. You can see that there, little modified AirSense 11 chamber. And you can see it's also got some little clips on the side. And this is where we'll add the little water sensors, which I've already added here. So I'll just talk you through that. That's S1 at the back here. And you can see the little white tab, how it's pointing up, right? That's S1. That little front clip just pops off. Little sensor goes in there. And then on the side here, we have S2, and that's essentially the backup. And you can see here, the little white part at the bottom points down. S1 points up, S2 points down, okay? And that's just gonna slot in to our AirSense 11. And you can see here on the back, I've also got another one of Seb's little inventions. That is a HEPA filter. 99.95% filtration for 0.3 micron dust. Crazy good. All right, so let's get this going, shall we? Make a little bit of room. Power supply, we don't need that because I've already got one going. Here's the sensing cables, and here's your little clips. So we don't need that this time around. And okay, no, it has changed. Cool. So I'm just going to take this little section here and just slot it in the top. It's definitely changed. Okay. And then we'll attach now on the end of the sensing wires. All right, we're just going to plug this into the back. There's only one place it can go. We're nearly good to go, guys. And then we've got our tube. Now, this is quite a short tube. I would recommend getting the extended version of the tube. All right, that's how long it is, pretty short. When you're running this from here, one end goes in the side here, just switch that up a bit. All right, it's got to be quite close to the machine. I think we're nearly good, guys. Now, all we're going to do is just fill her up with water. It's like the quickest unboxing setup guide of all time. Just going to fill it up with water. Glug, 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 glug. And we've got the lid there. And if I turn this on, I think it should just start. Look at it go. Look at that. And it should stop automatically. How easy is that? So you just fill this right up with your distilled water up to the max level, and then you're good. I mean, it'll probably last you a whole week before you need to top it up again. So at the end of the week, you can take out your chamber, give it a nice clean, maybe clean out the CSpring MK3, top it up, put it back in place, and you're good to go for another week. And if the water runs down in the middle of the night, it won't run dry. Just keep topping back up to S1, run down, top back up, top back up, top back up. Anyway, mates, I'll leave it at that. Have yourselves a great night, and make sure you head on over and check out Andrew's Sleep and Brain YouTube channel. Just click the link above and I'll send you there. Lots of great vids. Cheers.